this is good. HP video converter. This one is a converter. So, na-record niya diha. Niya akong ipakita ni ninyo karon. Asa ni dapita, and I will open this too. Full HD 1080p. Welcome back again to my channel. Nanasag ko'y unpack. Welcome and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my subscribers and everybody who will watch my video. Like I said, I need to unpack. The film which I'm going to make today is about the unpacking, unpouching. Whatever it is, the unpouching of this package coming from Shopee, which I ordered last week, and this is not mine. The owner of this is the studio which I am working, but I need to unpack this just for my content. I need to get the scissor. I don't have the scissor. I will just use my batangas. This is what I will use now to unpack. I will not tear this because I need the receipt. You know, this particular thing is needed, very much needed in my workplace. I just unpacked this, but I don't know how to place this in the proper placement or where it is needed, because it is very important but I just know that this is very important while we do the program, while we do the show. I ordered two because our technician here told me that we need to have as many as we can as a reserve, because we do not know if what time or when it will not be working. And while we are doing our broadcast on air, those technicians or engineers who are involved in the radio knows what is this, because we are on a teleradio workplace now. Mini HDMI to AV upscaler 1080p. I think this is good. HP video converter, full HD 1080p. Okay, features: no need to install drivers, portable, flexible, plug and play, low power, no need power supply, output the audio synchronization with video, high bandwidth capability support, 1920 by 1 blah 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 blah. Di na kong kaibaw, di na kong kasabot. I am not an engineer, I am not a technician. Application example. So this is the way how it will be put in there. I will first open this so you can see what's inside. Oh my god, this is very small. This is a very small one. Is this the one? Mini, why mini? Mini. Maybe this will be enough. Okay, I would like to. My God, this is just like a toy. Mini, can you read that? Mini. And this is the cord. And I would also like to check the other one. God. And I do not know, as I said, how this will go. I will just give this to our technician. Let's check. I will show you where to put. What we have there is a black one, a black, and okay. So okay. This is where we are now. This is our monitor. And my God, is this so this is the same. This is our the one that we are using now. Where is it? This is, so I will show you atong ibali. And this one also, this one B. Oh my God, isa lang ang may dito pa. Hala. I hope this will work. Okay, so I will so ibibigay ko ito sa technician bukas. Siya na ang mag-install. This is enough for now. Thank you so much for watching. Mga ka-friendship, babush na!